How to select a stock for swing trading or intraday trading? This is an important question, and today we are going to answer this question. This is tradingview.com, and at the bottom of this screen, you can see there is a show panel button, and if you click this, there is a stock screener option in TradingView. However, if you see this, I have selected this volume leaders option in this, and this is an inbuilt screener of this. But if you see the matches are 3922. So this is a list of huge stocks, and we have to narrow it down. Now, I have, filtered out using my own scanner, high volume, and after applying this, you can see there is only 17 matches. So from 3922 to 17, now let us see what exactly I have done to filter this list and how you can do it on your own. Now, if you see the filters, let us discuss the filters. So for swing trading or intraday trading, volume plays an important role. So we have to find stocks that have very high volume. So you can see if you go to the volume section of this, search for volume, and you have to search under technical. And okay, let me do it again. So for volume, there will be a lot of options. I'm using these options. The volume should be, you have to select this range 50K to 50 million. And also, if you're doing swing trading, then this criteria is also important for you, that average volume of last 10 days should be between 100K and 50 million. And you can also select average volume of last 60 days between 100K and 50 million. So this will give you the list that volume is not, huge volume is not just for the day, but the volume is huge for over the last 2-3 months also. And one also important is that relative volume is above 2. It means average volume, the volume is greater than the average volume for this stock. So likewise, you can see there are average volume 30 days, 90 days. Although I have not considered them as of now, but you can change them on your own. Now coming back to the other filters. So there is one more filter, shares float, and I have used them as 50 million to 2 billion. Shares float actually means number of shares that are available for the general public to trade. And so this number actually means that this stock will not be easily manipulated. So this is a recommended range for that. And one other also I have selected price. That price should be above 100, so that this is my just personal criteria to filter the stocks above 100. You can keep as it is, or you can also select the range. If you want some price between 100 to 200, you can also do that. So after applying all these things, you can see now, if I clear this, you can see the matches reduced to 17 only. And this is done like this. I have used weekly time interval. I can change it to daily also, and you see the match. This will check on the daily time frame. And if you're doing intraday, then do it on daily time frame. And you have to refresh it continuously to get the latest stocks. And if you can do it after first 5 to 10 minutes also, and during the day also you can refresh it. However, if you want to do swing trading, then you can do it on the weekly time frame also. So you can see that once I change the stock to time interval to weekly, the stock number of stock reduces. And let me go to the monthly. So you can see the criteria fails for monthly, so there is no stock. So whenever in future, if you get any stock that fulfills this criteria also, then you can go for investment option also. Now let us Now this is let me go back to the weekly, let me go to daily criteria first. Now from this daily criteria also you have to be a little, I mean, you should know little technical analysis also, that although this also gives you the technical rating that whether you should buy or sell, what is the current I mean, what sort of trade you have to take in this. And but you should also know little technical analysis also, so that you can take the decision wisely. Now for example, this gives a buy on this Godrej properties, and let us go to the daily chart of this. Now you can see, let me now you can see from past some days this gives a buy rating. So this daily should be used for intraday moment, to catch the intraday momentum also. Now for intraday, let me go to the 15-minute chart, and you can see on Friday this stock has given a big rally. So if you have done this scanning on that day, it would be helpful for you. Now let us take another stock. Let us take one sell side first. Let me choose Godrej Industries. Let me choose. So this stock actually, I mean, like I said, you should know some technical analysis also. Although this is falling, but this is actually, now if you know little, this is the main trend, and this is just a consolidation. So you should avoid this for selling, as this is not something. You should look other stocks also. You should ignore this, because this major trend is up and this is just a corrective pattern and for one more push up. So you should be in a position to filter this also. So we should, let us take some other, as on Friday the market was in high momentum, so you would rarely get a sell opportunity, and you should look for, so overall trend also you should look. Let us see the Bank of Baroda also. This was a strong stock on that day, and you can see even after the gap up there was a significant upside, and stock actually gave 5% on that day. So this is a good scanner. Let us take some other sell stock also. Now this, let us see if this, yeah, right. On that day, this selling is not actually very powerful, because major trend is up and this is just a corrective pattern for this. So overall, you should look first. Also, you can put one important point: what is the trend that day? If it is strong, look for strong buy. Like this, you get a strong buy, strong buy. So you can see strong buy stocks actually rallying. Now this stock actually rallied 5% on that day. So this is a strong buy. And likewise, you will get buy, sell, or neutral rating. Neutral rating means it is not able to make a decision, but this is having high volume at that day or coming days. So you have to take your decision on your own. And likewise, if you change it to weekly, now let us see what sort of trade we are getting in this. Now let us, for example, take Cipla. Cipla, it is giving a sell. Now let us go to the weekly chart of Cipla. Now you can see this is having a strong downside movement, and it is giving a sell signal. And this is how you can, if you want to do a swing trade, you can find a strong stock that is having, I mean, this is indicating a strong volume also, and this is giving you sell signal also. Likewise, if you see a strong buy stock, let us see this Sonata Software. Yeah, so you can see from past few weeks the momentum is very strong in this stock. So now you have to, I mean, don't take any fresh entries as of now, and you have to be careful in entering also. So do fresh scan on live market and see what sort of new stocks you're getting, and then you should be able to filter it out. I hope this video helps. And if you have any doubts, please post them as comment. And if this delivers value, please consider subscribing and sharing with friends.